I guess the other thing that we could talk about is just, how to know when you need HRT or when should you seek care. And honestly, anytime you start noticing changes with your body and you start to notice symptoms that are becoming obtrusive to your day-to-day life and to your lifestyle, that's when you should start having the conversation. And Winona really exists for patients that maybe don't have a venue or a forum to be able to talk to their physicians about it. Or maybe you've mentioned something and you feel like they just don't have the time to talk to you about it, or they're not taking your complaint seriously. Or if, like most of America, you go to the doctor, fill out a bunch of paperwork, you talk to their nurse a bunch, but then when the doctor comes in, you literally have 5 or 10 minutes and they are in, they're out, and then they move on to the next patient because they're in such a rush. You don't really feel like you have that personal opportunity to really get all your questions answered all the time, just because, with the way that our healthcare system is, everyone's trying to do more with less. Everyone's trying to squeeze in as many patients as they can. The nice thing is with Winona, you have the ability to ask your doctor questions whenever you want and on your schedule. So you type messages back and forth to your physician and they get back to you when they're able to, and usually within 24 hours. And you can ask anything on there. So, nothing is off limits.